To pay with Apple Pay on Temu. Start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of the Temu app installed. First, open the Temu app and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Once you have selected all your items, proceed to checkout by clicking on the cart icon and then the checkout button. On the checkout page, enter your shipping address and other required details. After filling in the necessary information, click on the payment method option. Select Apple Pay as your payment method from the available options. If you have not already added a card to Apple Pay, you will be prompted to do so. To add a card, open the Wallet app on your device. Tap the plus sign, and follow the prompts to add your card information. After selecting Apple Pay, review your payment information to ensure everything is correct. You will see the payment amount and the card you are using for the transaction. To authenticate the payment, you will need to use either Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, depending on your device settings. Once you have authenticated the payment, the transaction will be processed and you will receive a confirmation of your payment. It is essential to note that Apple Pay transactions are secure, as your actual card number is not shared with the merchant. Instead, a unique device account number is used to process the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily and securely pay with Apple Pay on Temu. Remember to always keep your device and the Temu app up to date to ensure a smooth payment experience.